stop. Before you skip this video, answer me one question. Can you tell me the difference between these three sentences? I eat pizza, I ate pizza, I will eat pizza. They look almost the same, right? Just one or two words are different. But those small words, they completely change the meaning. And if you get them wrong, people don't understand you. Or worse, they think your English is weak. Today, we're gonna fix that forever. Welcome to Simple English Talks. I'm so glad you're here. Hey everyone, and honestly, tenses are the #1 thing that confuses English learners. I've seen students who know hundreds of words but still can't make a correct sentence because tenses trip them up every single time. But here's the good news. It's not your fault. No. Okay, so the past tense, what is it? Simple answer, it's anything that already happened. It's finished, it's done. The formula is super easy. Subject plus verb, past form. That's it.
So instead of saying, I walked to school, you say, I walked to school. Instead of she eats breakfast, you say she ate breakfast. The action is over. It happened before now. Here's how I remember it. I ask myself one question. Did it already happen? If yes, past tense. So this morning I woke up, I drank coffee, I checked my phone, all past tense, all finished actions. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky and where most learners make mistakes. In English, we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are easy. You just add ed. Walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked, clean becomes cleaned. But irregular verbs, they change completely. Go becomes went, see becomes saw.
Present tense, this is your daily tense. This is how you talk about habits, routines, facts, and things that are always true. The formula, subject plus base verb, and for he, she, it, you add s or es. So I work from home. She works from home. They eat lunch at 1. He eats lunch at 1. See the pattern? It's just that one small s, but so many learners forget it. I think of it this way. Present simple is my schedule, things I do regularly. I wake up at 7. I drink green tea. I study English every evening. That's my routine. Present simple describes your life pattern. But here's something really important. We also use present tense for facts and things that are always true. Water boils at 100 degrees. The sun rises in the east. English has 26 letters. These things don't change, so we use
Okay, future tense. This one's actually my favorite because there are a few different ways to talk about the future in English, and once you know them, your speaking sounds so much more natural.
The most basic way is will plus the base verb. Subject plus will plus verb. I will call you tomorrow. She will finish the report. We will travel next summer. You use will for decisions you make right now or for predictions. Like if someone asks, can you help me? You say, sure, I'll help you. That decision made right now, so you use will. Or if you look at dark clouds in the sky, you say, I think it will rain today. That's a prediction. But there's another super common future form, going to. Subject plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb. I'm going to visit my family next week. They're going to open a new restaurant. You use going to when you already have a plan. The plan was made before.
So here's the difference quickly. Someone asks you at dinner, who's going to pay? You say, I'll pay. Decision made now, use will. But if you already booked tickets for a concert, you say, I'm going to see my favorite band on Friday. Already planned, use going to. Both are correct. Both are now.
Wow, we covered so much today, and I am so proud of you for staying with us. Let's do a quick recap. Past tense, for finished actions. Use did, didn't for questions and negatives. Present tense, for routines, habits, and right now. Future tense, will for instant decisions. Going to for plans.
3 tenses, 3 simple formulas. And now you can use all of them. The most important thing to remember, don't wait for perfection. Start using these tenses today in real sentences, real conversations.
Here's my final question for you. Which tense do you